Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I'm doing a very simple design. I really love the wavy nail art at the minute, and I did recently do a blue Louis Vuitton set, but I've been gagging to do a red set, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm doing a red set. I've got this really gorgeous glitter from Crafty Fox that I absolutely love, and yeah, I've just been really wanting to use it, and I really want to do a red wavy design. So it is a very simple one, it's a very easy design, but I really hope you all enjoy it. I hope you'll like it, and yeah, other than that, let's crack on and get into the video. Okay, so I am starting off by doing the baby finger. I'm going in with Emily's red gel polish 064. It's a really nice gel polish, this one. I'm actually getting close to the bottom of the bottle now. I'm definitely going to be purchasing more. It is a really nice gel polish though. I definitely do like Emily's gel polishes. Their black and their white's really good as well. But I'm just painting the full nail of this. I have already buffed the tips and they're all prepared, and I'm just going in with a couple, well, I only went in with one coat of gel polish of this one, and then I'm going in with a glitter from Crafty Fox 251 called Ruby Shoes. It's just an ultra fine red holographic glitter, but it's so pretty. And I'm basically just sugaring this nail, so I've left the gel polish wet and I'm simply just sprinkling the glitter over it, and then I'll cure it for a minute, and it's literally as easy as that and the nail's done. You just brush it off afterwards, just get rid of all the excess glitter and all the sort of loose bits. And I love a sugared nail, I really do love a sugared nail, I think it looks so pretty. I'm then moving on to the ring finger, where I'm using First Love from Model Ones. This is one of my favourite nude colours. Again, I'm proper scraping the bottle of this one. I used this in my last set as well. I'm literally scraping the bottle, it's nearly all gone, and I'm so gutted. I might have to get myself some more. But again, I went in with 2 layers. I only showed me painting 1 layer of this set, but I did actually go in with 2 layers, curing for 30 seconds in between, and then I'm top coating with the iBeauty For You top coat. It's a non-wipe top coat, it's really nice. I really like the size of the bottle. It's a 15ml bottle and it's a really nice top coat, so if you're looking for a good top coat, that's definitely one of my recommendations. So I've done that, I've cured it, and then I'm going in with that red gel polish again, and I'm sort of painting like a sort of smile line, French style thing. I'm not very good with terms. But yeah, I'm just sort of doing like a red smile line, and again I'm going to be doing like the sugar sort of effect, so I'm just going to be chucking a load of glitter over it. I'm sorry if I sound awful, by the way. I've had a stinking cold for the last week or so, and yeah, I'm not feeling very well. I've just been coughing, my throat is sore, but I'm on the road to recovery, so I'm sort of trying to do some videos. This set is so simple. I feel like anybody could do this set quite easily, and I just really like it actually. I feel like I might do this set for my own hands. But as you can see that I've literally just chucked the glitter on, I've cured it for a minute again, and then I'm literally just brushing off the remaining glitter. And there we go, that's that nail done again. It's literally so easy, and I feel like it looks really pretty. You could always encapsulate it, you could go in with some top coat or whatever you want as well, if you don't like that sugared effect but you want the glittery effect. But I really like sort of the rough sort of sugared effect. I just feel like it's really effective, it's really nice. But I've moved on to the middle finger, where I've given it 2 coats of that First Love gel polish again. And this is a nail where I'm going to be doing like the wavy design. So I'm going in with the same red again, and I'm just sort of doing like a swirly sort of design from the bottom left hand corner of the nail and then right up sort of to the cuticle area. I do 2 lines of red, and then I'll be moving on to a black line and a white line as well, and just sort of creating that sort of wavy design. You've probably seen all over Instagram and that. It's very popular at the minute. Loads of people have got the wavy nails going on, and I absolutely love them. No matter what colours or what style you do it, I just feel like they all look so beautiful. And yeah, I know that I've already done a design very similar to this, but I just had to do it in red, and I really wanted to share with you guys as well. Red's my favourite colour, I absolutely love red nails. But yeah, again, if I release Black now 007, this again is one of my favourite black gel polishes. Again, it's really pigmented, really nice. They cure really beautifully. I love Beetle's Perfect 20 black in their Perfect 20 collection. That was a really good black, but then I've had other collections from them with blacks in, and it's like it's a completely different formula. It's been really sheer, and I love Beetle's gel polish, but some of their blacks have been really disappointing. But this Lee one's really good. I do really like it, and I think I'm already on my second bottle of this anyway, but as soon as I start running low, I'll definitely be going on timely. But as you can see, I have just painted another one of those sort of squiggly lines. I've used my Kiki eye brush as well, which, as you guys know, is my favourite detailer brush. It's really thin and really nice to work with. I am curating between the squiggly lines as well, just for 30 seconds, just to make sure that the colours are cured and they're not going to run into each other and they sort of stay nice and neat. And then I'm going in with the 011 white from Emily as well. Again, a really nice pigmented polish. I do really like it. It's really, really, really nice. But yeah, I'm just literally filling in these gaps. This is the last line that I'll be doing. It's not my neatest of work at all. It's quite messy, to be honest. But it's just a really nice design, I think. It's just so simple and super cute. And I just feel like it's just like a nice everyday sort of nail wear, but without it like... It looks glamorous, but without it being too heavy and too in your face. I feel like it's just a very pretty little design. Because like if I'm painting my own nails, I'm very, very, very simplistic. Most of the time I will literally just go for one colour on all nails and just simple manicure like that. I'm not really one for like really like in-depth designs on my nails. I just feel like they look too much sometimes. I love creating them, but when I've tried doing them on my own nails, I've absolutely hated them and I ended up taking them off really quickly. But this design, I feel like I would really like to wear this and I would really love it. I think it's so beautiful, and even though it's a bit sloppy and a bit messy, I feel like it turned out really nice. But yeah, I've literally just covered the red lines in top coat and then I've just sprinkled it with the glitter again. And I just cured it for a minute and then brushed off the excess again. And then I was going to add, I've got this little Vendy silver charm that I was going to add onto the nail, but then I tried to add it on and it just didn't look right at all. And I wasn't intending on doing a Louis Vuitton set at all, but I felt like this nail needed something and I didn't really have the right thing, so I ended up using a white Louis Vuitton sticker. And as you can see with the index finger, I have just gone in with exactly the same design that I've done on the ring finger. So this is that set. Like I said, really simple, really easy, really quick. Just a cute little simple design. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. If you have, please remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. I've got some exciting videos coming up that I'm really excited to share with you all. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for that. But anyways, have a great day whatever you're doing. Much love, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!